Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design, Minnesota. And what the heck? Oh, okay. Anyway, here in Roberts, Wisconsin again today. And yesterday morning, I was starting a deer fence, getting it all measured out, getting it all staked out, and getting my posts set, my corner posts and my gate posts set. But I ran into a thunderstorm that just boom, that just showed up. Like did not know it was supposed to rain yesterday out here in Wisconsin, and yeah, it came down hard and ruined my day. So I did not get my posts set. I got the holes dug, I got the posts in the holes. I still got to drill my holes for my gate posts, and then we're gonna get those with some quickcrete. We're gonna cement these posts in, and then I'm gonna put the gates together, or the gate together, and then start lining up the internal posts in between each corner post. So we gotta take a walk back over to my car to grab some stuff. So, but anyway, let me show you before I walk over there what we got here, so you can kind of see what we're working with. As you see, we got corner posts over there, and then obviously down the line, and we will be, my bags of concrete right there, we'll be cementing those in, and we have all of our stuff out here. Got my trusty Ryobi 40 volt earth auger that cuts through the ground like a hot knife through butter. The only thing it has problems with is rocks, which you really can't do much about that. But here you can see this flag here, one way back there. This is going to be another fence going up around this, and then this annual garden is going to be getting planted out here by the steward, but the rest is all getting have someone coming out, and they're going to strip all the grass off of this. So instead of sheet mulching, we're going to remove all the grass instead of trying to sheet mulch it and then hope that there is enough weight and enough suppression to keep the weeds from coming through. But I don't know, so we're gonna strip it and start from soil, which is gonna be so much easier to work with. And but there, yeah, we're gonna plant out about 100 trees and plants and all perennials that will be coming back year after year after year and provide this family food forever. But anyway, let's take a walk. You know, there's still time to get your property designed. You know, the best time to plant a fruit tree was 20 years ago. Second best time is today. So imagine walking out your back door and you have all these different, okay, I had to get my hat because the sun's gonna come out and my head will fry. But imagine walking out your back door. You have apple tree, you got pear trees, you got peach, you got nectarines, you got plums, you got cherries, you got kiwi, you got currants, you have blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and figs. And there's just so many things that you can grow that are perennials that will come back year after year after year. And it's less maintenance than a garden, less maintenance than a lawn. And like I said, it pays you back. you invest one time, put your trees in the ground, and then nature takes over. All right? And sure, you can prune your trees in the fall to keep them under control so they don't get too wild and out of control, but nature takes over. You don't have to tend to a tree like you do to an annual garden. Okay, so keep that in mind. But anyway, I got to get to work here. It's supposed to, I got thunderstorms coming, 80% chance of thunderstorms coming by 1 p.m. So drill my holes, get these set, get the gate put together, get all my internal posts laid out, and then tomorrow I'm going to come out and I'm going to put them all on the ground and then start wrapping this baby. And I'll take you through the whole process of putting this fence up to show you how easy it is. I'm doing this one by myself just to show you how easy it is. I've done them before, big, much larger than this one. When I do the one over on the other side, I'm going to have some help. Helpers come with me, and just to make it go faster, so I can have them drilling holes while I do everything else to get prepped. You know, obviously it will save me time, and but we're gonna get going, and I will make a video when I get all caught up to where I was supposed to be yesterday. Have an amazing day, my friends. Oh, get a hold of me, Travis, at foodforestdesignmn.com, or visit foodforestdesignminnesota.com. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not laws.